Hi, it's Michelle from The Singing Baker, and today I wanted to show you another quick appetizer. This one takes less than 10 minutes. It's a nice cheese and cracker appetizer for you. This is a cheese and cracker appetizer that uses goat cheese, a little bit of olive oil, some toasted cumin seeds, and some fresh mint on the top, as well as a drizzle of olive oil, and then we serve it with some seeded crackers. So my first step is to take some cumin seeds, and I'm going to be putting them into a pan and just dry roasting them just to get a little bit of toastiness on the seeds. It makes it taste really nice. So we're all done toasting our cumin seeds. They have a beautiful aroma. It smells great in here now. I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese log together. I take a goat cheese log and I actually put it on a strip of saran wrap. And then what we're gonna do is just lay it down here. Might come apart a little bit on you, but that's fine. You can just put it together. And then what we're gonna do is sprinkle the cumin seeds that have been toasted all over, as well as some black pepper. And the reason why we put it in this plastic wrap is so that we can then go and basically roll it into the plastic wrap so that the cumin seeds really adhere to the goat cheese log as well as the pepper. So you can sprinkle it on the wrap as well. Get a little bit of black pepper on here. And then I'm going to start rolling it in this mixture. And really press it in so it gets all over. I use about 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, and then black pepper is really just to taste. If you want to add a little extra to make it a little spicier, that's up to you. Just a little bit more pepper, and then keep rolling it into this wrap. You can do this a little bit ahead of time. You can certainly make your cheese log ahead of time and then just wrap it into this log and then put it in the plastic wrap and then put it in the fridge. It could probably stay there for up to a few hours, and then you could assemble it at the last minute. So you can get the sides as well as the ends. And this is what you're left with here. Now we're going to go and put it on our plate. I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, usually maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. Nice little drizzle. And then I'm going to finish it off with some chopped mint. I have about 1/4 cup here of fresh mint right here, and I'm just going to give it a nice good dice here so it's nice and chopped up. A good minced cut. And then we're gonna just sprinkle the log with it. So this is a nice cheese and cracker plate that you can put out. It's a little bit elegant, if you will. A little bit of a change from the basic one that you can put out. And then the last step is just to put maybe some seeded crackers around it. I just have some multi-seed crackers here. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like. I do have a lot of other videos out there, appetizers, cocktails that you can use at different gatherings that you have at your house. And if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get to see a lot more of those.